Hello everyone and welcome to another video of the B-25 series. So I'm here with the plug for the engine cowl. So the cowl will be made out of fiberglass, and this is the plug for making the mold. So for making this plug I used the expanded foam. As you can see, there is also all expanded foam, and I used also some Depron sheet to increase the length of it. So in this part there is a silicone, but it is because I have missed the diameter, and I had to increase it in order to make the cowl fit onto the nacelle. So here I will show you how I made the mold for the cowl, and then I will show you how I made the cowl itself. Okay, so the resin is cured, and now I'm going to take out the plug from the mold. Okay, so here we have the mold. I've sanded it and polished. As you can see, there are some scratches, but I don't care of them, because I will do only two parts out of this mold, or 3, maybe 4, and so the time I will spend to eliminate the scratches are not worth the time of making a good plug. So now I'm going to apply the wax and then the PVA, and then start to laminate the fiberglass. Okay, so here we have the first piece out of the mold. It didn't come out pretty good because I didn't know how to make a round piece like that. I never made one, and I used also scrap piece of fiberglass. So I hope the second and the third will come out better. But I'm satisfied with the shape that it has. Here on the nacelle, as you can see, I've mounted the motor and also the speed controller. So I have to weld the cables. As you can see, I have no cables now, but I have to run them into the wings before connecting them. So now I will test fit the engine cowl, and we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, it fits very well onto the motor nacelle, and in order to secure it onto it, I will screw some pieces of wood onto the firewall and screw it in. So for now it's all, and if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have more questions, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye!